I would absolutely recommend Humpy Co to anyone looking to do this sort of build. Not only was the planning and design phase very easy and very comprehensive, but also the build was very quick, and all of the workers who were working on our property were very friendly, very respectful, minimal interruption. You know, we could go on living our normal lives in the house, and yeah, very minimal interruption. And a lot of changes that we have made, things that I've specifically asked for, and the majority of which have been able to be done or done in some capacity, which has been wonderful. The whole team has been great at working with me and with what I've asked. It was only 8 weeks from start to finish that we had people coming and going, doing their work, and yeah, wonderful.